Stop forcing yourself to suffer in high heels, because what if I told you that in just 7 days you could walk confidently, look elegant, and feel absolutely no pain? Yes, no pain. Welcome to Footwear Diaries, where today we're breaking down the ultimate 7-day challenge to mastering high heels like a pro. Day 1 starts with choosing the right heels. This is where most people get it wrong. If your heels don't fit properly, nothing else will work. Go for a snug fit, not tight, not loose. Look for cushioned insoles and a stable heel. Block heels or wedges are perfect for beginners. Your mission today is simple. Wear your heels at home for 30 minutes. Walk slowly, feel your balance, and get comfortable. Day 2 is all about posture. Pain often comes from bad alignment, not the heels themselves. Stand tall, shoulders back, and engage your core. Imagine a string pulling you up from your head. Practice walking heel to toe in a straight line for 20 minutes. This small adjustment will instantly reduce pressure on your feet. Day 3, we focus on strengthening your feet. Yes, your feet need training too. Try simple exercises like toe curls, calf raises, and ankle rotations. These improve stability and reduce strain when wearing heels. After your workout, wear your heels again for 45 minutes and notice the difference. Day 4 is where confidence meets technique. Take your walk outside. Start with short distances, maybe around your compound or street. Walk slowly, take smaller steps, and avoid rushing. The goal isn't speed, it's control. If you feel discomfort, pause, adjust, and continue. Day 5 introduces padding and protection. Use gel inserts or cushioned pads to absorb shock and reduce pressure on the ball of your foot. This is a game changer. Wear your heels for at least an hour today, and you'll start realizing that comfort is not a myth, it's a skill. Day 6 is your endurance test. Plan a longer outing, maybe a casual hangout or a short event. By now, your posture, strength, and balance should be improving. Focus on how you walk into a room. Confidence is everything. When you feel good, you look even better. Finally, Day 7, the transformation day. Today, you wear your heels like they're a part of you. No fear, no pain, just style and confidence. Walk, turn, pose, own it. You've trained your body, adjusted your mindset, and built real skill. Here's the truth. High heels don't have to hurt. Most people just skip the learning process, but now you've mastered it in 7 days. If you enjoyed this challenge and want more fashion and footwear secrets, make sure you subscribe to Footwear Diaries, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to stop suffering in silence. Because style should never come with pain, and now it doesn't have to.